are going to love the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, fog lights, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, off-road package, Sirius satellite radio, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.